If you're ready to grow and monetize your TikTok account, this video is for you. If you watched my last video, then you already know I decided to get serious about TikTok and grew my account from scratch to almost 10,000 followers and 1,100 leads in 60 days without going viral. And in this video, I'm sharing the step-by-step process I use to capitalize on that growth and convert those leads and followers into $50,000 in sales for my business. So let's get into it. My name is Maylea. I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Likes, comments, followers, and even leads are great, but they don't pay the bills. And at the end of the day, in order to grow a profitable personal brand on any social media platform, you need a strategy to turn that engagement you're getting into cold, hard cash for your business. Your business deserves to be making money. In fact, it should be making money. And if you aren't generating leads and sales on a daily basis inside your business, this video will help you identify why, so you can fix it. My mom and I have a simple 5-step system we have used to generate at least one sale a day inside our business every day since 2017. And while the specifics I'm sharing today are related to TikTok, you can also use this system to convert followers, leads, and sales on any platform, anytime you want. We call this platform proofing your business because while social media platforms will come and go and change over the years, these 5 steps are timeless. I'm going to break all 5 steps down in detail in this video, and then at the end, I'm going to show you what this process looks like in real life by showing you exactly how I used these 5 steps to convert $50,000 in sales on TikTok in 60 days. This is going to completely change the way you look at your business when it comes to showing up and getting sales on social media. So let's go. Step 1, attract an audience. You could have the best products, services, and business on the planet. And if no one knows you exist, you aren't going to be in business very long. That's why step 1 is to attract an audience of buyers who are already primed to want what you sell. I'm not going to get into this step too much today because I broke down my step-by-step strategy for this specifically related to TikTok in my last video, which you can watch right here. I will also link it below for you as well. Once you have your attraction strategy in place, it's time for step 2, capture. In order to create a profitable personal brand, you must have a system in place for capturing those views so they become leads. This means you now have permission to market to them. The easiest, most leveraged way to do this is through what we call a freebie funnel. You create a valuable free resource that you offer your audience in exchange for their name and email address. If you want to see the exact freebie funnel we used when we started our business, including our secret strategy for converting 15% of our cold leads into customers instantly, then check out this video. Even with a funnel like this in place, not every lead is going to buy right away. That's why you also need step 3, nurture. You must have a system in place to nurture trust and authority with your audience so that when they're ready to buy, you are the person they think of. You do this in multiple ways, but our favorites are through email marketing, our free value Facebook group, and by simply showing up consistently on social media. From there, it's time to move on to the fun part. Step 4, convert. Start by getting extremely clear on what we call your end game offer. If you could wave a magic wand and have every follower on social media buy or invest in one thing, what would it be? Do you want them to buy a product, enroll in a course or a coaching program, join your team? Once you know what your end game is, concentrate all of your energy on driving people toward this goal. This happens through the content you create on social media, the emails you send to your list, the conversations you have one-on-one, all of it. This leads me to step 5, which is upgrade. One-time buyers are great, but if you really want to create true leverage freedom in your business, you also need to upgrade these one-time buyers into lifetime customers. The key is to provide next step opportunities to your audience that will enhance their experience or help them achieve that next level of transformation. We do this in a variety of ways in our own business, which not only creates multiple streams of income, but also allows us to impact more people in more ways. If you want to see some ideas for how you can start creating multiple streams of income in your own business, check out this video. All right, now that I've shared the 5 steps, I want to show you what this process looks like in real life by walking you through exactly what I did to generate that 50K in sales from TikTok in 60 days. First, I had a content strategy. I've already mentioned that I broke that down completely in my last video, so be sure to go check it out when you finish up here. At the end of every single video, I included a call to action. Sometimes that CTA was for them to like or comment or follow, but most of the time it was to check out one of the free resources I offered in the link in my bio. My mom and I have 3 primary funnels that we promote on social media pretty much all the time. We have a freebie micro offer funnel where we give away a free resource and offer a low priced digital offer on the thank you page. We have a video training where we promote our signature program at the end. And we have a membership program that we promote by offering new customers 50% off their first month to try it out. In my first 60 days on TikTok, I captured 1,100 leads to our email list by using a CTA to one of those funnels in my videos. That's it. And because 2 of those 3 funnels lead with free value, I have no problem mentioning them all the time because I know whether someone ever chooses to buy from us or not, they're going to get a lot of value by simply investing their time into that free resource. From there, I let our systems do the selling for us. I know 15 out of every 100 people who opt into our freebie funnel are going to purchase that micro offer immediately on the thank you page. I also know that out of every 100 people who watch our free training, 15 of them are going to enroll in our signature program. Out of that $50,000 in sales, I can only think of 3 people I actually spoke to in emails or DMs before they became a customer. And in each case, they had already been through all the steps. They just wanted to clarify a few quick questions before they decided to buy. This process is how my mom and I have been able to build a global brand and business that's done over 7 figures in revenue without selling in DMs, without filling our calendar with Zoom calls, and without feeling the need to do hectic, time-consuming launches all the time. We call it our rejection-free profit system because when you have it set up in your business, all you have to do is focus on showing up authentically, creating content, and connecting with people, trusting that your systems are doing the selling for you behind the scenes. If you want to see exactly how to implement this profit system into your own business, I invite you to check out our free training where I will walk you through all 5 steps in even more detail. I'm able to cover way more in this training than I can in a short video like this, so head on over to globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training to check it out. All right, that's all I got for today. I'm going to link last week's video right here, just in case you missed it. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.